Welcome to my channel. My name is Cindy Sherris. In this channel, we make money online. We do crypto and stocks. And today I am going to talk about Cubig. Cubig has partnered with AWS, Microsoft, Alibaba. So this is a deep collaboration and with the companies that we can trust. Getting started, it is free, guys. You just click the link on my video description and then inbox me to let me know so that I can add you to the right group.
Cubig cloud storage platform. Earn commissions effortlessly just by watching ads. Exclusive benefits for free members. Free registration. Receive 5 gigabytes of cloud storage. Watch ads daily for 7 consecutive days and earn $9.90 per week. Exclusive benefits for Cubig cloud storage package. For $1 package, you may watch 2 ads per day and double up your earnings per week and get 50 gigabytes of cloud storage. For $10 package, watch 5 ads per day, earn $49.50 per week, and get 2 terabytes of cloud storage. For $100 package, watch 10 ads per day, earn $99 per week, and get 21 terabytes of cloud storage. Boost your earnings by referring friends. If you successfully refer 10 friends, we'll multiply your ads earnings up to 10 times.
Cloud storage, ads income, easy commissions, the platform we've all been waiting for.
So when you start, you get 5 gig free. And then when you upgrade with $1, you get 50 gig storage. And then when you upgrade to $10, you get 2 terabytes storage. And then when you upgrade to $100, you get 21 terabytes of storage.
DSR tutorial. Cubig advertising commission calculation method. Advertising commission will be in the form of points. You must accumulate 100 points within 7 days to get $9.90. Advertising commissions. 10 points on the first day, 10 points on the second day, 10 points on the third day, 10 points on the fourth day, 20 points on the fifth day, 20 points on the sixth day, 20 points on the seventh day. The total is 100 points. If you watched the ad on the first day, second day, and forget to watch the ad on the third day, what should you do? Don't worry, I'll teach you. First, you get 10 points if you watch the ad on the first day. You also get 10 points on the second day. If you forget to watch the ad on the third day, you will get no points. So you have accumulated 20 points so far. Now, you can get 10 points if you continue to watch the ad on the fourth day, get 10 points on the fifth day, get 20 points on the sixth day, get 20 points on the seventh day, get 20 points on the eighth day. Then you have successfully accumulated 100 points, and you have earned $9.90. If you forget to watch the ad for 1 day, you will have to accumulate 8 days to get $9.99. If you forget to watch the ad for 2 days, you will have to accumulate 9 days to get $9.99. Warm reminder, if you forget to watch the ad for 3 days, all accumulated points will be reset to 0. Then restart all over again. Have you understand?
So this is how we're going to make money by just upgrading, and we are using their money. So if you want to get started, remember, you can find the link on the video description and I will add you to the group. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you are going to join and we are going to make money. And do note that sometimes the system doesn't work because there's a lot of people who are actually joining. So get yourself started and make sure that we all make money. Thank you.